Hey, it's me Ali and my cat Whiskers. Today we're learning what we call weather sounds in English. The sound of rain is called pitter-patter. We can say, the pitter-patter of rain is so soothing. The sound of thunder is called rumble. We can say, the rumble of thunder scared my cat Whiskers. The sound of wind is called whoosh or whistle. We can say, the wind whooshed through the trees. When lightning flashes, we often hear a crack of thunder in the sky. The word crack is used for that sharp, loud moment when lightning strikes, while rumble is the deep, long sound that follows after it. The sound of hail is called clatter. We can say, the clatter of hail hit the roof hard. And the sound of fire is called crackle. We can say, the crackle of fire makes winter nights cozy. So next time you hear these sounds, remember their English names. Follow me and Whiskers for more fun and easy English words.